Just wanted to record this video for posterity's sake. Anyone who's ever visited the Bloem house, especially family, recognize this sound and recognize it for the reality that you've made it home. So it's either the first thing you do when you walk in, you hear this sound, or it could be Mom Bloem walking through the house, serving tea to people, whatever it might be. But it's just one of those sounds that if this furniture is ever replaced or this floor is ever fixed, the sound might go away. So I wanted to capture it and keep it forever. So here we go. Hopefully it'll make the sound for me. There it goes. Gotta love that sound.